Greetings po Ma'am Cyrene, I'm John Efraim Mamore, and ito po yung part namin ni Carlton, yung network management. Unang-una po Ma'am, punta po muna tayo sa definition. Network management involves administering, managing, and operating a data network using a network management system. Ano po ba yung goal? Ito po yun. To ensure network performance and reliability and security. Next, monitoring of optimization. Ano po ba yung mga tools and magagamit natin sa performance monitoring? Nandiyan po yung Wireshark, packet analysis, Nagios, real-time monitoring, SolarWinds, network performance, and ito po yung mga technique para po ma-reduce po natin yung latency and bottlenecks, load balancing, traffic prioritization, upgrading bandwidth or hardware, optimizing routing paths. SNMP, ito po yung Simple Network Management Protocol, is widely used for gathering data from devices that help connect tools to protocol knowledge, recovering protocols in the course. Next, ito naman po yung troubleshooting technique na ginagamit po natin, gaya po nung ping, yung pag-test po ng connectivity and latency, trace router to identify path and hop issues, network flags to analyze error and performance anomalies. Other tools include NetStat and IPconfig for local diagnostic. Quick mention of tools student may use in labs. And next, dito po makita natin yung paano po security measure. Pag-apply po ng patching and updates. Regularly apply firmware, software updates to network devices. Tapos po mag-implement po ng network segmentation to limit the impact of breaches, a common best practice in network security. And next, access control. Gumamit po ng firewalls, VLANs, and ACLS. Ito po yung role-based access for users and other practices kagaya po na encrypt traffic, monitoring, intrusion, and abnormal traffic. Thank you po ma'am. Yun lang po.